Hey y'all, it's Alex from You Should Craft, and today we'll learn how to crochet into the back loops only. This is a technique that you can use to create cool types of ribbing, like on this hat. I especially like back loops only for half double crochet because it creates kind of these sideways like columns or row sections that can look a little bit like knitted stitches, which is really pretty. But so in order to crochet this, you just need yarn and a hook. I'm using a J hook and Bravo worsted from We Crochet. This color is called Cornflower. But I already have this little swatch worked up. You can crochet into the back loops on as little as one row. So bare minimum, you want to make a chain and then one row of normal half double crochets on top of it. And then you can start going into the back loops. So remember that our stitches have two loops. The front loops are these ones, which are facing me right now. And then the back loops are the ones that are further away from me. So these guys right here. And then when you turn your work, all of that changes. So I just finished this last row. I'm going to chain one for half double crochets, turn my work. And so now here's the third loops that we talked about before. We won't crochet into these yet. But here's the front loop right here next to me. And the back loop that's a little bit further. So this is my other side of my work. So I'll yarn over, insert my hook into that back loop only. Yarn over, pull up that first loop. And then yarn over and pull through everything else on my hook for my very first half double crochet in the back loops. So again, I'm going into the back loop only, and I'm half double crocheting, but you can use this strategy for any stitch. So I'm just going into only the back loops. So again, I have the front loops right here. Those are the loops that are facing me. And then the back loops are these back here on the other side of my project. And that's where I'm putting my stitches. And then you can start to see it already. But our leftover front loops create this little bit of a ridge or a ribbing. So this is probably the simplest, most common way to make crochet ribbing. So you'll see this a lot as the ribbing at the bottoms of hats or, the bottoms of sleeves or sweaters. It's also a cool pattern that you can use in blankets and really any project that you feel like needs a little bit of ribbing. So as I'm wrapping up my row, there's just one more thing that I want to show you today. A lot of people will do their very last stitch in a row into both loops. So we did back loops only for all of the previous stitches. And now for my last one only, I've got my front loop and my back loop on there. So just like a normal half double crochet. And this just helps to clean up your edge a little bit. But that is it. So you can go forth and use this tutorial for any kind of crocheting project that you have that needs a little bit of ribbing on it. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the You Should Craft channel and check out the blog for more crochet patterns and tutorials. Also, this is part of my 30-day Newbie Series, so you can sign up in the description below if you're interested in more newbie tutorials. But thanks.